Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Sirona hot water bag. This is electrical hot water bag available on the Nykaa, Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon. The price is nearly 700 something. I had bought this in the discounted price from the Flipkart, and the quality looks so good. I like the color and design. They have provided the charging wire or the charging cable so you can charge. It took about 2 minutes to get warm. Very fastly it became hot and it started to swells up like a balloon, which I found little scary. So I didn't wait for auto power cut. I just switch off the button and use it as it is. After warming up, it stays about half an hour or more than that, which is good. I have tried this 3 to 4 times now and giving the review on the product. I like the product. Let's see how much it will last. If you have also tried this product, then you can share in the comment section below whether yes or no. Which electrical hot water bag you like the most, that also you can share. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And yes, this is totally non-sponsored review. Thanks for watching.